All new to the market, a lift chair with integrated speakers with cinematic vibration. Stay tuned. Hey, I'm Alex from Marcs Mobility. In this video, we're going to show you a PLR 5900 that has integrated audio speakers, cinematic vibration, first of its kind. Before we get started in this video, I would mention if you would go down below and hit the like and subscribe button, that will help us in our YouTube channel. What we have here is a PLR 5900 by Power Mobility. This is the first of its kind in the market that has built-in Bluetooth speakers with cinematic vibration. It's nothing else like I've seen before on the market. If you want to watch a show and have the music play like you would be in a movie theater from your lift chair, now this is going to be the lift chair for you. Now the 5900 is going to be in that Vivalift chair line. This is going to be an infinite position lift chair. So it's going to be able to do everything on the market that you see from the Viva line, but it does have that immersive cinematic vibration audio built in right here into the back of the unit. So the coolest feature about this chair is going to be that fully immersive audio cinematic vibration feature, which we are going to show you now. It is going to be located right here inside the right side of the arm that does flip up, and you are going to have all your controls right here that we'll show you on a video overlay.
Cross stamp goes down the right wing, cross the line, right circle, stamp goes open, shoot goes! Stamp goes!
So some of the amazing features on this 5900 lift chair is going to be that integrative audio system. And over here under the right arm, you will have a volume control, treble, bass, and also vibration. So that is going to be similar like in the movie theaters when you would be able to rent those chairs that had that fully immersive cinematic vibration. You're also able to turn that off or increase that vibration throughout the chair right here very easily on this right hand arm, underneath the right arm pad. It's like I said, nothing else on the market even comes close to this. To have this type of integrated audio system, I can truly tell you that this is very loud. I mean, this is louder than I believe most standard TVs will even play the sound. So you don't even have to worry about keeping your loved one awake at night. If you wanted to pair this and turn the volume down, you would have the audio come out right here. Behind each one of these arms is the built-in speaker. So I think that is just really going to be truly a game changer in the market to be able to really fully enhance your experience with just watching regular TV or watching sports, listening to music, however you want to use it to listen to the sound. It's going to be like nothing you've seen before on the market. Now to go into some details on the actual PLR 5900, this is going to be a 400-pound weight capacity. Currently on the market, it only comes in this 100% American-made Sorrento leather color. They are coming out, I believe it's called an Eclipse color as well, that will be coming soon, and they potentially are going to come out with other sizes as well. So if you would go down below in the description, there'll be a link to this product on our website where you can see pricing, and you can also see if there is any other available colors or sizes at the time when you're ready to purchase one of these chairs. Now this chair, if you've seen any of the other Vivalift chairs on the market, they do have a chair called a PLR 4955. The 4955 and this 5900 would be similar in the sense of what they can do function-wise. Now the 4955 does not have the same look and does not have all the same features, but I'm talking about just the different infinite positions. It is going to be the same. So what infinite positions are is it means you're able to control everything independently. So you're able to control your legs, the recline, your lumbar, your headrest, and your tilt function all independently. Some lift chairs that don't have the full independent positions can't do that. They either tilt back or tilt forward. But here you can truly get in any position you want with the true infinite positions. We'll show you that here in a video overlay as well, the different types of positions that they do have on the unit. But I just wanted to go ahead and state that very early on. Now, some differences that kind of came out with on this unit that are not standard to other lift chairs that they have are both of these armrests do flip up. Underneath the left armrest is actually a very deep storage compartment. So not really sure what you would put in there, but you would be able to fit a lot of items into this left storage compartment. It looks like right here you almost have a spot where you could put your cell phone or something else potentially. And then underneath the right armrest, you once again have a storage, and you also then have all your speaker controls under the right side. Now, true to pride, they are going to have these arms that do come out on both sides. And right here, you are going to have a place to hold your cell phone. And then you're also going to have both the USB connectors. So the USB-A and I believe it's the USB-C are both going to be here. So the new iPhones and the old USB connectors are here. And then over here on this side, you have a cup holder that does self-level. So that's a great feature as well. So when you're tilting forward, your drink's not going to fall out, or when you're reclining back, your drink should stay level in the unit. And then they also have over here, looks like accessory ports, potentially maybe reading lights or other things. I don't believe they have the accessories yet for them, but once again, if you do go to our website, under all the additional add-ons, you will be able to see what is available on the unit. Now, also what is standard on this unit is going to be their air bladder massage technology. So you are going to have different points on the chair where it's actually air pockets that kind of fill up and then hit you in the back. So it's not going to be like just a vibration like some of the old lift chairs. Now, you will have the vibration if you do have your speakers on, because that is a heck of a cool feature. We're talking about actual massage. The air bladder massage is a great technology that is well enhanced over what the earlier lift chairs did that just vibrated. You're also going to have all those controls over here on the side. So your air bladder massage and your heat are all going to be located right here on the side of the arm. So there's going to be multiple points of heat throughout the unit as well. All of that is going to be standard on the unit. There is not going to be any other optional upgrades to this unit besides the accessories potentially. So you are getting everything in the price that you see: the audio, the self-leveling cup holder, the different types of chargers. Really cool what they did too as well on this unit is the hand control. Not only did they built a magnetic strip on both sides where you can leave your remote, down here in the pouch as well, they have an easy quick disconnect. Now you can't see it from there, but we'll probably show you in a video overlay. What I think is really cool about this is older lift chairs, when you assembled them, you had to run the wire that could sometimes get pinched to the back of the unit. Well, now they have that same connector on the left hand and on the right hand side. So when you're installing your unit, all you do is decide if you want left hand control or right hand control and go ahead and connect the remote. And then once again, pockets on both sides, but also the magnetic charge on both sides of the unit. Or not, also is going to have the magnetic strip on both sides of the unit. So as I mentioned earlier, they only have the medium size currently on the market. There should be down the road other sizes available, but I'm going to go over here now with just the medium size and kind of give you some general specifications on the chair. It is going to have the 400-pound capacity. They say it's for somebody 5'5" to 6 foot tall, somewhere in that range. I'm 6 foot tall, 210 pounds, to kind of give you a reference of what I looked like sitting in the chair that you saw earlier in this video. First measurement I'm going to give you is going to be in between the armrests. So the width of the seat in between the armrests, I'm getting 24 inches. That's what I have in between the armrests, is 24 inches, which I believe I saw 23 on their spec. That might be the actual cushion, but the usable space is about 24, just under 24 inches of usable space in between the armrests. Now, overall width of this chair, for sizing wise, is going to be 39.5 inches, or just over 39 inches in overall width to fit this in a certain space. Now, the depth of the seat is going to be 20 inches in depth, and the seat to ground height is also going to be 20 inches. Now, an important spec that a lot of people like to know too is what is the height of the backrest. I'm getting 28 inches from the seat to the top of the backrest, and then overall height from the ground to the top of the backrest is going to come in at about 44.5 inches. Now, probably the most important thing that people to know measurement-wise is this needs to be 17 inches off the wall. So we get asked that a lot for people that are in assisted living facilities or just sometimes in their living room. That is due to when it reclines back, you need to be 17 inches off the wall in placement so that you can recline back and not hit the wall. So once again, if you're looking for a lift chair that is going to have that 100% American-made leather, that's going to have the built-in USBs, the cup holder that self-levels, some accessory ports, armrests that flip up, but most importantly, the integrated cinematic vibration audio system that's built into this unit. It's like nothing else before on the market. And I can truly say this is a very, very comfortable lift chair. And once again, just to give you perspective, I'm 6 foot tall, 210 pounds. So you can see roughly how I look like sitting in this unit. And now I'm going to go through the functions here so that you can kind of see what it looks like with me sitting in the unit. So if you're looking for a lift chair that has everything on the market with the first of its kind and an integrative audio system, go ahead and look at the PLR 5900 by Power Mobility.
Hi, I'm Marc.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marcs Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.